vecchia, basta, insomma.
And ladies and gentlemen, you're all very welcome to Edinburgh, where the local time is 1:05. For your comfort and safety, please remain seated until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign. Please take care when opening overhead compartments, as items may become dislodged during landing and may fall out and cause injury. Laptop computers and larger portable electronic devices must remain switched off and securely stowed. You may now use your mobile phones. Please refrain from smoking until you reach a designated smoking area. Finally, on behalf of Ryanair, but especially your onboard crew, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us and wish you a safe onward journey. Thank you and good afternoon.